Hello, very good afternoon. My name is Sergio Andres Cuenca. I hope you are well. I do the following video in order to make a mini tutorial to give example of how to implement phonology. Example 1. Its pronunciation is it. It. Okay. The child wants to eat ice cream. Not is incorrect. The real what is the child wants to eat ice cream. The child wants to eat ice cream. Continue to the sample 2. Its pronunciation is I. I have nine cat. No, is incorrect. The right one is I have 9 cat. I have 9 cat. Okay, continue with the sample 3. Its pronunciation is O. O. The game is over. Not is incorrect. The right way is the game is over. Over. Continue to the example 4. Its pronunciation is O. O. Okay. O. The horse is brown. Not is incorrect. The right word is the horse is brown. Brown. Okay, continue. Example 5. Its pronunciation is thin. 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 Okay. Much game make you think. Not is incorrect. The right way is much game make you think. Much game make you think. Think. Continue with the sample 6. Its pronunciation is A. A. Okay. My grandfather has a red shirt. No, this is correct. The right way is my grandfather has a red shirt. Shirt. Okay. We did well finish the mini tutorial. Thank you very much.